welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to another beautiful afternoon here. We're starting this beach walk here on a it's a public, it was a public beach. You have parking here. You have free toilets, but there are also some businesses, so you have to pay for the beach beds. But 3 years ago, this is also the beach we always used to bring our dog, and the dog was able to run around because there was no one hanging around there. It's always during low season, no one was there, and there was no business going on at all. And all those places here were empty. This was like the next place here, Kala Kala, was actually a business, and it looked like a restaurant, but it never, I think they closed during COVID, if I'm not wrong. And it was always abandoned building. And I was like, you know what, this would be the perfect spot to have something open. And at some point, someone showed some guts and opened up Kala Kala. I don't know who it is, maybe, I think I heard it's an Australian guy. But yeah, Kala Kala is open, very good. And right next to it, it's a seafood place, and after the seafood place is a new beach club. And it's gonna be very exciting what they're gonna do afterwards with that new beach club. I saw a comment today, and someone was she was like, oh, I love Sammy and Marcus videos. And I'm like, maybe she speaks German. Or maybe she likes you, I don't know. But yeah. And someone, John, I saw also a comment. We live streamed on Sunday, and he was like, he having a nap, and then he thought there were like some German hooligans downstairs, and he looked and it was us. We are German hooligans.
Yeah.
We probably screamed around like maniacs.
Was it close to the Aussie bistro? Because I
Probably.
saw a guy who was bending over the balcony and said, "What? Just
Probably there, right?
Oh,
yeah. Shout out to you, John. Oh, thank God it's not that hot at the moment. And whatever they're doing here, it's gonna be big. It's gonna be huge. I hope they're gonna have the rooftop also, like a nice rooftop bar. Maybe have a proper nightclub in there with exotic dancers and things like that. Then I have to go here for journalism purposes.
Yes.
And inspect the sites and inspect the drinks with my lads, you know. Yeah. It's gonna look good, guys. I'm excited. This place, hopefully it will be good. Hopefully there's someone in charge who will make this the best place. And right after that, we have more. It's just on and on. There's so many new places that are gonna come. Look at this roof. Whoa, it looks good.
That also means they invested a lot, or investing a lot.
This was open always. The name was Dana Beach before. This was actually one of the places I had my first coffee. It was terrible. It was terrible, but it was on the beach. And I did not know better. But if you want to know better, after my 3.5 years experience here, you should get my Google Maps guides here. Get it here, scan the QR code or in the link in the description. And weirdly enough, feels like after 4 p.m. you're allowed to park here. No way, look at this.
Why?
Cologne,
Oh my.
FC Köln.
No, it's Kaiserslautern.
Ah, Kaiserslautern, really?
Yeah, it's erste FCK.
FC Köln?
Kaiserslautern.
Kaiserslautern, oh.
So for the Americans, you know where Kaiserslautern is.
There's a base, right?
Yeah, it's close to Ramstein.
Ah, got it. Oh my God, now I think the Cologne people will completely,
Yes.
they will attack me now. Maybe I should cut it out. And the Kaiserslautern people too. I don't know. It looks like a very nasty sign. We have that too in Germany. It's called FCN.
Yes.
And it's like a nasty football club we don't like. We don't like the club, you know. No. We are always Kleeblatt. We like lucky symbols, okay guys? We all love Kleeblatt Fürth. All right. Please don't kill me. Oh man. Where's Marcus? I thought I killed him and I'm like, oh God, I gotta run.
I just had many thoughts.
Oh. Everywhere you see some lads making photos of their ladies, mistresses. That's what the English say, mistresses. And then, you know how the Australian call woman? Sheila.
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 Oh wow, that sounds similar to She-Ra.
She-Ra. I don't know what that means.
Do you know He-Man?
Yeah.
And this was his sister, She-Ra.
Really?
Yes.
I don't know. I don't know how the Australians come up with these names. They have so many weird names that it's not really English, you know. They're Australian. This is Australian language.
Hey, they started as a colony
Yeah.
for criminals. Oh, maybe.
Really?
Oh, yeah, Australia started.
I mean,
as a
look at
colony
David. Look at David. He's a criminal too. Look at him.
This is what
He's stealing women hearts left and right, you know.
Yeah. Get posted on Facebook.
Yeah. Oh man. Shout out to my Australians. But I've also got Australian families looking here, so you're all nice. I love my Australians. I still gotta go. What is he doing here? Wrong path. I thought there's no buses allowed to go into the street, weirdly enough. But yeah, check this out. It is packed, but it's not that bad as Sunday. Sunday it was like very full and packed. And it is not that bad right now. But to be honest, if you want to have an empty beach, you should always go in the morning around 9 to 10, 11. Or whenever the sun is still here, that's the time it's not that full. But yeah, the view is still not the greatest here at the moment. We cannot see the Sunshine Mountain that good, so that's a bad sign. But it is what it is. You going here or the next one? Okay. We got the surfboards over here. There's still surfing going on and people learning surfing. I saw a lot of videos. There are like a little surfing scene, I would say. It's better in January when there's a little bit stormy season. Or I would even say when there are proper storms, there are proper waves for surfing.
I saw in Hoi An, I've been today to Hoi An,
Yeah.
and I saw kite surfing.
Kite surfing?
Yes.
Oh, interesting.
And also windsurfer. Like one windsurfer and two kite surfers. In Hoi
Okay,
An.
okay. So there is some breeze going on, some wind. So that's also possible, I would say. The Banbao guy making his rounds. Sunny surf lessons.
And this thing is never open.
Yeah, I think 1 year ago they sold some kind of fruit shakes one time out.
Ah, look at this. Braunschweiger Turn. Something German.
You know what I saw today? Oh, look at this Robert.
Yeah. It's also German.
Do you know that I'm a Vereinsmitglied from something still in Germany, and I'm still paying every year 20 euro. I don't even know how to cancel it, the subscription.
Probably you have to send a fax.
Think about it. Verein.
Oh.
Eisenbahnverein, something like that. Something super weird. You know why I did it back then? To get my insurance lower for my 7 Series BMW. So I did this membership per year to don't pay that much taxes on my big engine car.
Yeah.
Hallo!
Oh, herzlichen Dank dafür.
Heute gestern Abend angekommen.
Okay, cool. Wie heißt du denn?
Rainer.
Rainer, okay. Ja, good. Alright guys, we're meeting a lot of you. I saw also comments of Robbie because you did not see me. But I don't know, Robbie, you did not hard enough walking around, you know. I'm always around. And I remember I had the same thing with Wally. Wally also never saw me, and I saw him sometimes. Marcus saw him one time, and but at some point I met Wally on a walking tour. So at some point you will see me somewhere. It's actually very easy. It's actually very easy to find me. But maybe you just had a good time here, Robbie, and oh, look at this! Hello.
Hey, Chris.
The motorbike rental guy and only have bicycles, huh? oh. All right, guys. The beach promenade is very, very busy, and you probably will meet all your friends here on your evening walks, you know. But also, if you're dating in Da Nang, be aware you will see the person all the time too.
Or her friends.
Or her friends, yeah.
Or his friends.
Or his friends. Beautiful waves here at the moment. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Check out this video here and see you in the next one.